Today's featured car is a 1969 Opel GT in this bright blue color, which is nice. And this one I filmed at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. And this one had the 1.9 liter engine, which put out 102 horsepower. The other ones had the 1.1 liter inline four, which put out 67 horsepower. The 1.9 liter engine was optional. And if you're not familiar with the cars, they were made in West Germany by Opel from 1968 through 1973 and sold in America at Buick dealerships. And the car only had a 95.1 inch wheelbase. It was 161.9 inches long, 62.2 inches wide, and 48.2 inches high. And the curb weight was 1,863 pounds to 2,072 pounds. The base transmission was a 4-speed manual, and a 3-speed automatic was available with the 1.9 liter engine. And it is a steel body, a unibody chassis, a front mid-engine rear wheel drive layout. They ended up selling a total of 103,463 cars between 1968 and 1973. But anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, a 1969 Opel GT that I filmed at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Car Finder, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.